Eldrigo Namaskara. Hope all are safe and doing extremely well. So guys, before 1 month I made one video with regards to the launch of 7 new NIBOSH qualifications, as well as in this video I have told that one qualification is going to launch in February month. So we all people are waiting for that qualification. So finally on 22nd February 2021, NIBOSH have launched this qualification. The name of this qualification is NIBOSH Working with Wellbeing. Yeah, that is the name, NIBOSH Working with Wellbeing. So in this video, I'm going to cover each and everything about this qualification, what actually it is, and whether you should do that particular qualification or not. And as well as I'm very happy to say that we are the second channel. EHS Academy is the second channel who is covering this particular qualification very comprehensively. Previously, NIBOSH have already made one video with regards to that. If you go to NIBOSH official channel, you will find one video with regards to this qualification, and we are the second channel who is covering this qualification very comprehensively. So without wasting any single second, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so NIBOSH Working with Wellbeing. What is that? NIBOSH Working with Wellbeing. So first of all, we need to understand what is the meaning of well-being. Okay, so well-being means working with happiness and healthiness. It means a person is there who is happy also and healthy also. So NIBOSH is going to teach us how to make your manpower healthy as well as happy during their work. Because in a research, NIBOSH have found that if your worker, okay, those who ever working in your organization, if they are happy, if they are healthy during their work, then it can lead to increased productivity, reduction in accident and injuries, as well as proper engagement of the particular employee in their works, as well as reduction in the sickness leave. So these are all the benefits. This is the benefit which is given by NIBOSH. Now, I also have some sort of like theories, some sort of opinions with regards to this qualification and the reason why NIBOSH have developed this qualification. So as per my opinion, as you know that previously I made one YouTube shorts with regards to the integration of HSE, Health, Safety and Environment. Okay, if these three are okay, then only we will allow a worker to work. Okay, is it so? No? Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so that is the reason, because as you know that with regards to safety also, with regards to environment, a lot of qualifications is available in the market. But what about the health segment? Because health is also important. From the initial stages itself, I'm telling you that if you are preparing for the high examination, top level examination, then you should prepare also for the health segment of EHS. Okay, so that's why NIBOSH have developed this qualification, because last year, as you know, that pandemic was there, as well as now also it is going on in some countries. So it shows us already that health is also a very crucial segment if you want to work in organization or industries. Okay, so that is the reason why we need to develop that qualification, as well as very few qualifications is there with the segment of health. Okay, so these two are the reasons why NIBOSH have developed this particular NIBOSH Working with Wellbeing qualification. Second point, for whom this particular qualification is designed. So basically NIBOSH have told that this particular qualification, NIBOSH Working with Wellbeing, is designed for three major categories. First of all, if you are a HR professional, human resource professional, then you can do that. Secondly, if you are a health and safety professional, then also you can do that. If you are from the management segment of any organization, then also you can do that. So for these three categories, this particular qualification, NIBOSH Working with Wellbeing, is going to really helpful. Now the main question, what you are going to study under NIBOSH Working with Wellbeing qualification. So in this qualification, you are going to study each and everything about well-being. Actually, what is well-being? Why it is important? What are the factors, positive and negative factors that are impacting basically well-being? How to measure the well-being? How to improve the well-being? Okay, so these all things you are going to study under NIBOSH Working with Wellbeing qualification. As well as apart from that, NIBOSH have introduced one particular concept that is called NIBOSH Wellbeing Tree. What is that? NIBOSH Wellbeing Tree concept is there. Now under that tree, some elements are there. What is that? Some elements are there. So I'm going to discuss these elements, actually what are they and how they are impacting the particular well-being of a worker. So as per the concept of NIBOSH Wellbeing Tree, which is introduced under that qualification. Okay, so that particular well-being tree is showing us 6 key areas that is going to be covered under that qualification. How many areas? 6 areas only. Okay, now I'm going to elaborate to you this particular 6 areas. So out of that, first area is your I. I means interaction. After that, E is there. E means exercise. After that, N is there. What is that? N means nutrition. After that, M is there. That is called M means mindfulness. After that, K is there. K means kindness. After that, L is there. That is called learning. So these are the 6 areas basically which is going to be covered under NIBOSH Working with Wellbeing. Okay, so these are the 6 areas basically which you are going to focus in order to improve the well-being of a worker. Okay, now the eligibility of this qualification. So basically, like all other NIBOSH qualification, there is no eligibility requirement. Anybody can do this qualification, but there is a minimum 5 IELTS score you need it for this qualification if you want to pursue that. Now, what about the examination? What you need to give in the examination? So basically, there is, instead of examination, there is called assessment is there. Okay, you need to give one assessment in order to pass this qualification. Now, under that, what is going to be happen under that assessment is, as I told you, NIBOSH Wellbeing Tree is there. What is that? NIBOSH Wellbeing Tree is there. So under NIBOSH Wellbeing Tree, I told you 6 elements are there, or 6 key areas are there, which you are going to study in that qualification. So what you need to do is, you need to, within your organization, you need to check out these 6 areas, the strength as well as weakness of these particular 6 key areas within your organization. So after checking all that, you need to make a, what is that? Wellbeing intervention plan. Wellbeing intervention plan you need to just submit to the NIBOSH. Okay, so this is going to be your assessment. So after the completion of that assessment, if you got pass, then you will be awarded the qualification parchment. If you fail, then nothing can happen. Okay, now it will take around 24 days in order to get your results. So when you got your results, you got pass. So within next 20 working days, you will receive your qualification parchment. So this about your examinations as well as your other stuff about this qualification. So after the completion of this qualification, what are the different options that is available? See guys, after the completion of this qualification, you can attain level 2 award qualifications, level 3 certificate level qualifications, level 6 diploma level qualifications, as well as MSCs of MREs, which is offered by NIBOSH in collaboration with different international universities. So these are the options that is available after the completion of this qualification. So now, important point, whether you should go for this qualification or not. Is there any need? Is there any compulsory? Is there to do that qualification? So see guys, any qualification which is being designed by any international body or any national body, all are useful. The thing is that your interest. If you are interested, if you are looking for some sort of new qualification that you are like want to pursue, then you can consider this qualification. Okay, in which you are going to study about a very important aspect of health and safety. Okay, which is not told by everyone. So as per my opinion, this is very good qualification. If you are searching for any qualification to pursue, then you can consider NIBOSH working with Wellbeing. And with regards to the costing of this qualification and with regards to the best institute, NIBOSH doesn't hold anything. Like cost, with regards to the cost, it will vary from institute to institute. Now you will ask me, sir, what about the institute? How we can find that? So it is very easy. Before 5 months, okay, I made one video with regards to how to find best institute for IGC. Okay, same video you need to follow, but instead of IGC, you need to select this qualification. So whatever the learning partners are there, those who are just offering this qualification on the online as well as offline basis, they will come in front of you, so you can contact them. Okay, so this about particularly whether you should pursue that qualification or not. So alright, this was the end of this video. I hope you like this content. If you find this video useful, kindly share with your friends. Subscribe to EHS Academy, because this type of content you will only get in this channel itself. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care guys.